Hello students, today I am going to start your second chapter, that is the origin and the evolution of the earth. And there are mainly two types of theory that related to origin of the earth and universe. And first theory is early theories, and early theories are related to origin of the earth, and modern theories are related to origin of the universe. And first topic is early theories. Large number of hypotheses and theories were put forward by different philosophers and scientists regarding the origin of the earth. And one of the popular and earlier hypothesis was first put forward by German philosopher Immanuel Kant, and that hypothesis was known as nebular hypothesis. And nebular hypothesis was first modified by mathematician Laplace in the year 1796. And according to Laplace, that the planets were formed out of a cloud of materials and that are associated with a youthful sun. Then, according to Laplace, the planets were formed from the cloud. That means gaseous cloud. In the initial stage, there exists of sun. And there are a gaseous cloud present around the sun. A gaseous cloud present around the sun, and that gaseous cloud was formed by hydrogen, helium, and dust particles. Hydrogen, helium, and dust. That means these gaseous clouds were formed by hydrogen, helium, and dust particles, and these clouds rotate around the sun, and this cloud form, after the rotation, this cloud form the planets of the solar system. So কি হল গম পালে বস্তুটো ফার্স্ট কি আছিল সান আছিল সানৰ এৰাউণ্ডত গেছেছ ক্লাউডছ খিনি আছিল আৰু ক্লাউডছ খিনি মেইনলি ফৰ্ম হৈছে হাইড্ৰোজেন হিলিয়াম আৰু ডাষ্ট পাৰ্টিকলছ খিনি আৰু এই যিখিনি গেছেছ ক্লাউড এই গেছেছ ক্লাউডছ খিনি সানৰ এৰাউণ্ডত কি হয় ৰোটেট কৰিলে আফটাৰ ৰোটেশন দে ফৰ্ম দ্য প্লেনেটছ অফ দ্য সোলাৰ সিস্টেম ৰোটেশনৰ পাছতে এই সোলাৰ সিস্টেমৰ প্লেনেটছ খিনি ফৰ্ম কৰিছে এটা সিম্পল এটা থিওৰি এণ্ড next theory was put forward by Chamberlain and Moulton in the year 1900. And second theory was put forward by Chamberlain and Moulton in the year 1900. And according to Chamberlain and Moulton, a wandering star which was larger than sun. Wandering star was larger than sun. Wandering star approach solar surface or sun. Approach means the wandering star struck sun. সানক কি কৰিছিলে সানৰ সোলাৰ সাৰফেসটো কাহিনী ষ্ট্ৰাইক কৰিছে খুন্দা খাইছে আৰু সোলাৰ সাৰফেসৰ পৰা এটা পাৰ্ট কি হৈছে সেপাৰেটেড হৈ গৈছে এ ওয়ান্ডাৰিং ষ্টাৰ এপ্ৰোচ দ্য সান দেন এ cigar shaped part separated from the solar surface মানে ইয়াৰ সোলাৰ সাৰফেসৰ পৰা এটা পাৰ্ট সেপাৰেটেড হৈ গ'ল and that separated part rotates around the sun. That cigar or separated part rotate around the sun, and that separated part form the planets of the solar system. Okay, a wandering star passed away or moved away. So it is the first to saw. A wandering star approached the sun. As a result, a cigar-shaped extension of materials was separated from the solar surface. As the passing star moved away, the material separated from the solar surface continued to revolve around the sun, and it slowly considered into the planets. That means, at a wandering star, the sun of a large star that you will sun solar surface approach koile mane khunda khale khunda khale eta part ki solar surface eta part separated hobol, and that separated part rotate around the sun, and they form the planets of the solar system. So a separated part pe sun or around the rotate hol. After rotation e ki koile separated part pe planets kini form kore. It's simple like a theory. The second theory, and this theory was supported by Sir James Jeans and Sir Harold Jeffrey. Okay, James Jeans and Harold Jeffrey are support korise, and at a later date, the arguments considered of a companion of the to the sun to have been coexisting. These arguments are called binary theories. And next theory is known as binary theory. And binary theory to put question to here. According to binary theory, there are two stars present, and the planets were from that two stars. Duta star present asile the initial stage of মানে একদম প্লেনেটস খিনি ফৰ্ম হোৱাৰ আগত মানে দুটা ষ্টাৰ প্ৰেজেন্ট আছিলে, আৰু ষ্টাৰ এই দুটা ষ্টাৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ সোলাৰ সিস্টেমৰ যিখিনি প্লেনেটস সেই প্লেনেটস খিনি ফৰ্ম হৈছে দুটা ষ্টাৰৰ পৰা, আৰু this theory was known as binary theory. Again, the nebular hypothesis was modified by Otto Schmidt in Russia and Carl Wieser in Germany in the year 1950. That means Carl Wieser and Otto Schmidt modified the theory nebula hypothesis. According to Carl Wieser and Otto Schmidt, that the sun was surrounded by solar nebula which was containing by hydrogen, helium and dust particles, and the friction and the collision of the particles led to the formation of a disc-shaped cloud, and the planets were formed through the process of accretion. Okay, that means initially there was a nebula cloud, and which was made of helium, hydrogen, and other source of dust particles and other elements. And this cloud rotating very heavily, and due to that most of the hydrogen and helium gas elements came to the center and started colliding each other, and the friction and collision of the particles fusion reaction place, and pure energy started generate. And this creates the sun. We know that hydrogen and helium are two low density elements, and they move to the center forming the sun, and the heavy elements away from the center such as carbon dioxide, then oxygen, then nitrogen, etc. they move away from the center, and they form small clump of clouds like small nebula, and with the rotation and the friction and collision of the particles lead to the formation of a disc-shaped clouds, and then the planets were formed through the process of accretion. Compare কথাটো initially কি আছিল এটা নেবুলাৰ ক্লাউড আছিল নেবুলাৰ ক্লাউডত হাইড্ৰোজেন হিলিয়াম আৰু other source of elements খিনি আছিল dust particles খিনি আছিল ফার্স্ট তাহাঁতি কি কৰিছিল rotate কৰিছিল after rotation তাহাঁতি যিখিনি lighter যিখিনি gas খিনি centrally move কৰিলে and they from sun and heavy gas move away from the center and they from small clump of clouds like small nebula and that small nebula from the cloud shape disc-shaped cloud. After that the planets were formed that disc-shaped clouds. Compare কথাটো মই পিকচাৰ ইমান show কৰিছো এটো কম্পাৰিজন লাগে তোমালোকে and যদি কিবা প্ৰবলেম থাকে এটো থিওৰি কিটা লগত ৰিলেটেড এটা ক'বা and from today class we learned about the nebula hypothesis and first nebula hypothesis was first put forwarded by Immanuel Kant and that nebula hypothesis was first modified by mathematician Laplace in the year 1796 and second theory was put forward by Chamberlain and Moulton in the year 1900 and that theory was supported by Sir James Jeans and Sir Harold Jeffrey and after that next theory was binary theories and then the nebula hypothesis was modified in second time by Otto Schmidt in Russia and Carl Isaac in Germany. So kita theory palo mainly nebula hypothesis etu first to Laplace put forward kodo then Chamberlain and Moulton theory to then binary theory to eta line dia ase then Otto Schmidt jetu theory etu mainly nebula hypothesis to mona jetu last jetu modify korise to ekita theory paiso eta earth origin related theory aru etu early theories of it include hobo aru kiba jodi confuse থাকে যদি query থাকে কিবা contact কৰিবা সুধিবা ঠিক আছে for today thank you